I can't believe the cat is standing for that. There ain't no cat in America, because he be going off. And look, wait a minute, the dog is getting ready to pass. It's going to be funny in the mug. Watch the dog be looking at it like, dude, they got you on a leash? Dude, that's embarrassing. Who put the cat on the leash? That's funny. The cat mad in the mug. He like, you embarrassing me. Yeah, I'm shocked. I cannot believe this man got a cat on the leash. Well, and then the cat laid down like, I'm done with this. Funny. That cat is funny.